What's up, YouTube? So first off, I want to say thank you for watching this video, and also thank you to those of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate that. So for today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. We're using a Terex RT-555, which is a 50 metric ton or a 55 US ton machine. And the reason we're using it is when we looked at this job, it's been raining for like 2 weeks straight. The ground was super saturated. It's a lot easier to get one of these big tire machines in there without tearing up a whole bunch of, landscape and all that. So we actually had to drop the crane, the low boy with the crane on it, about probably half a mile away from the actual job site because it's just real tight in there. So that's what you see now. We'll drive the picker through this. It looks like a neighborhood. It's actually it's all part of a research facility. So we'll drive it to the site. The job that we're doing is we're swapping out some air conditioning equipment, and it's inside this little containment, so you can't see too much in there, but you'll get the general idea. So the unit that we removed and also the one that we replaced it with were about 11,000 pounds, so wasn't nothing real heavy. The company I work for hauled the new unit in. I thought we were going to haul the old one out, but it ended up that our customer was utilizing a hot shot company. So you'll see we load it on our trailer and then have to unload it onto the hot shot trailer. It was a little bit of a miscommunication, but no big deal. All in all, it was a real good job. Everybody was safe. We all worked together. I thought it was pretty neat. Some of the camera angles I was able to put my GoPro at, and hopefully you enjoy it. So thank y'all again for watching.